Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, you will learn South Africa from above, physical features, rivers, as well as physical features and human activities. Let's begin with South Africa from above. When we talk about high places and low places, we mean how high a place is above sea level. If you pour some water into a bowl, the water settles to the same level all over. In the same way, the sea level is the same all over the oceans. The height of sea level is 0 meter. The land rises above sea level. South Africa has great differences in the height of the land above sea level. Now looking at coastal plain, escarpment, and plateau. Imagine you traveled by bus from the west side of South Africa to the east side. The main high and low places you would see are the coastal plain and escarpment as well as the plateau. Now, what are physical features? Physical features are natural features we see in our surroundings, such as hills and rivers. In South Africa, we have many famous landmarks that are physical features, such as Table Mountain in Cape Town. Mountains, hills, and mountain ranges. Features of high places include mountains and hills. Hills are not as high above sea level as mountains are. Sometimes there is a long line mountains. This is called Mount Range. Rivers, valleys, waterfalls, and lakes. Now wizards, rivers cut into mountains and hills to make physical features called valleys. South Africa's biggest river is called Orange. Sometimes a river flows over steep rocks to make a waterfall. Now looking at physical features along the coast. Sometimes the coastline is smooth and straight. At other times, the coastline has curves and pointed parts. Pointed parts that stick out into the sea are called capes. Curved parts of the coast between the capes are called bays. Now looking at location of main physical features in provinces. Every province in South Africa has its own physical feature and physical landmarks. For example, the Eastern Cape has mountains such as Snowberg and Witterberg, rivers such as the Great Fish and Sundays. Mpumalanga has features such as the Limpopo Mountains. KwaZulu-Natal has features such as Cape Vidal, Lake St. Lucia, and the Tugela River. The Free State has features such as the Culloden River and the Drakensberg Mountains. Gauteng also has features such as the Magaliesberg Mountains and the Vaal River. Limpopo has features such as the Limpopo and Salzburg Mountains and the Olifants and Limpopo River. Northwest has features such as the Magaliesberg and the Vaal River. The Western Cape has features such as Fossil Bay and Mossel Bay. And lastly, the Northern Cape has features such as the Orange River.